welcome back to my channel. Have you all ever had suya? This is another African dish and this was a request, so I'm going to show you how to make suya today. The only seasoning you may need is just the suya spice, but I added to it just a little beef bouillon, a little ground hot pepper, a little chicken flavored bouillon, little garlic, little onion, and just a little poultry seasoning, and a whole lot of suya spice, and that should not be salty. So to marinate my beef, which I'm using, I'm going to put a little of the mixed spices together and some oil, and then I'm going to pour it over my beef and marinate it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The longer, the better. So here I am using beef. I forgot the name of the cut of the beef, but this is what I'm using. So these are like beef chunks, and I'm going to cut them thin. Not that thin, but it's going to be pretty thin where I can chew and bite it. So originally, suya is made over the barbecue grill to get that smoke flavor. And also, it usually goes on the wooden sticks, the kebab sticks, the bamboo sticks. So I don't have any bamboo sticks, but I am going to make mine in the air fryer, or you can make it in the oven. After you cut to your desired texture, I'm going to go in with the vegetable oil and seasoning I made earlier for the marinade. And then I'm going to marinate it for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Overnight would be better, but at least 30 minutes to an hour. Then grab some foil or either plastic, whatever you have, to cover your bowl and let marinate at least for 30 minutes to an hour. So my air fryer is just a little different from some people. I have racks that come with mine, and I will show you all in a moment, but this is where I'm going to put my suya beef on the racks and put them in my air fryer just like an oven. So now I am going to take my beef and get my suya spice mix and put it all over the beef. And this part is very important to not to over salt your suya mix spice, because I noticed like a lot of people that make suya, they do it with a lot of seasoning, but the seasoning is not salty. Maybe spicy, but not salty. And yes, I did pack on the seasoning, which is very good. And now my beef is ready to go. I had leftover seasoning, spice, and also I had leftover a little oil. Now the oil with the seasoning in between time. If you think your beef is going to get dry, just rub it with the oil mixture. Yeah, so this is my air fryer. I had to upgrade it from the one I had, the one that you all see everyone with. I had to upgrade mine because I just had to upgrade mine. And I like this better, which didn't cost that much. So I'm gonna put both of racks of beef in here. So I set my air fryer to 385 for 15 minutes. This is how the beef suya looked after 15 minutes on 385 degrees. And I'm going to put it back in there for another 10 minutes after I flip it over. And here you go, the beef suya. Next time I'm going to take the same beef and I'm going to make some pepper steak out of it because this beef was so good and so tender. Here you go, guys. This is beef suya, and I love to eat mine with the onion and tomato and sometimes cucumber. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day.